Introducing our TSSP rear light, delivering powerful 7,200 mcd output with outstanding efficiency and 240-degree visibility for safety in every direction. The TSSP is a high-performance, vertically mounted seat post rear light engineered for 25 km/h e-bikes and everyday reliability. With its IP56 rating, it's protected against dust and high-pressure water, built for reliable performance in all conditions. Fully compliant with K-Mark, ISO 6742, and EN 15194 CE standards. On the left is our package with a 31.6mm bracket, which also includes a rubber spacer to adjust for a 30.9mm diameter seat post. And on the right, our package with a 27.2mm bracket, both designed for a secure and adaptable seat post mounting performance. Each model comes with a 140cm cable and includes the brackets with their mounting screws and nuts, along with the CT22 connector for easy installation. Discover all our products and more information on our website. For that, visit www.lite-move.com. Thank you for watching.